Today we're going to try out this product called 4180 Paint Remover. It's made by Highlight Solutions. It is an environmentally friendly alternative to methylene chloride paint strippers. So I'm going to put it on this board here. It's been painted a couple of times with a couple of different products here. So I'm going to paint this on and then we're going to let it sit for an hour and then we'll come back and just see how well it works. So you just want to apply a liberal amount on. And you don't want it to dry in the hour, so just keep an eye on it, make sure it's wet, and then we will come back in an hour and check it out. So it's been about 45 minutes, and now we're going to give this a scrape and see how well it comes off. So as you can see, it's just peeling off like butter here. So this spot up here could probably have been left a few more minutes, but it's coming off pretty good. So once you get it all off, what you want to do is just give it a wipe down with water, get rid of the residue, and then we would recommend using a pre-paint cleaner just to give it a rinse down before you go ahead and paint. So this product is good for furniture, refinishing. You can use it actually to remove epoxy and powder coat. It does take a little bit longer, but you can remove those products with it. And it's just coming right off. So this product again was the 4180 by AEROGREEN. It's an environmentally friendly remover made out of soy oil and smells like oranges. And it's a great product.